Hello, beautiful being, and welcome to Daily Cup of Prana. Welcome to Wild Wisdom Wednesday. Thank you for joining me in this space. Today is a sweet surrender, inviting nature as your guide. Have you ever wandered outside, maybe at the ocean, the forest, or even a park, and you suddenly felt a shift in your energy, a sense of peace wash over you? Well, that is the healing power of nature. Nature has been my medicine, my confidant, my therapy, my peace, and my joy. Nature has grounded me so deep when my emotions or my anxiety were soaring away from me. Touching the earth, her rich soil caressing my fingers as I gather and plant in the garden, feeling the gentle kiss of a soft breeze brush against my skin, the golden sun holding me in a warm embrace, the rivers flowing over my body, cleansing and nourishing, the gift of Mother Nature, grateful to her in so many ways, to love her, to honor her, and to respect her. Let's take a tender moment and drop into our bodies, feel our connection to Mother Earth and the elements. Allow yourself to get comfortable, either seated or lying down. And once you have arrived, I gently invite you to float your eyes closed or hold a soft gaze. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Letting go. Allow yourself to be fully here in this precious present moment. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Feel and sense your body connected to Mother Earth beneath you. And breathing in, you receive all her nourishment. Feel as though you are being held and supported. And breathing out, you let go and release. Surrender all your worries and tension down to her. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. You, sweet one, are a part of nature. Nature lives inside each and every one of us. Our bodies contain the element of earth. We are made up of 70% of the element of water. Our breath, the element of air, filling us up with nourishing oxygen, fresh prana. Our solar plexus holds the element of fire, our Agni, giving us the power to transmute and transform, to digest not only our food but our lived experiences. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. You, sweet one, are nature. Allow yourself to feel this beautiful connection to Mother Earth, to the nature all around you. Soften here for a moment. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Notice how you are feeling as you gently invite your eyes to open. As John Burroughs once said, I go to nature to be soothed and healed, and to have my senses put in order. Allowing our awareness to be one with the rhythms of nature is essential to feel balanced, healthy, happy, and whole. To feel a sense of connection with something that is greater than we are. If we begin to feel out of balance, stressed or anxious, or perhaps even lost in a moment, we can look to the wisdom and guidance of Mother Nature. Mother Nature is our mirror. She allows us the space to grow and expand. She not only provides us the food we eat, she provides us with an abundance of love and generosity. She gives us the clues to what we need in our lives when we are lost, confused, or unsure. We only have to take a moment to look to the plants, the trees, the weather, or the wisdom of the seasons to find the answers we need. When we become disconnected with our true nature and the cycles of Mother Nature, we experience dis-ease. We can suffer from anxiety, stress, frustration. We can feel this certain sense of a disconnect. When we allow ourselves to flow with the seasons and to dance with the rhythm of Mother Nature, establishing a relationship with her helps us come back into balance. And in turn, this brings the world back into balance, as we are all connected. We invite and we allow our awareness, our knowing, our inner compass to be in a symbiotic relationship with Mother Earth. We have this intimate dance to the rhythms of Mother Earth. We then begin to heal and find balance, this beautiful, loving connection. Invite the magic of nature in. Cultivate a relationship, this connection, and live with nature as your guide. Mother Nature is grounding, nourishing, and so supportive. Allow love and nature to lead you on your path through your lived experiences. I offer you here some beautiful ways to connect with Mother Nature. Walk barefoot on the earth. Allow your feet to sink into the soil, the blades of grass to tickle your toes. Feel the texture of the sand beneath your feet as you walk upon the shores. Sit under the loving embrace of a tree, perhaps reading a book, meditating, or a moment of stillness, feeling the energy and the wisdom of the trees. Bathe under Grandmother Moon's glowing light in a moon bath. Allow her glowing nectar to shine upon you and cleanse you. Stargaze under the blanket of a dark night sky. Take a hike and allow your senses to come alive with all that surrounds you. Invite yourself to take that daily walk. Swim and play in the ocean, a river, or a lake. Allowing the water to cleanse you, to nourish you. Grow a garden. It doesn't have to be big. Perhaps on your windowsill or outside. Even just a few herbs or a few flowers can bring you joy. Giving back to Mother Earth in this exchange of giving and receiving. There are so many beautiful ways to connect with Mother Nature and allow her to be your guide. Before we go, I leave you with this poem by Mary Oliver. I thought the earth remembered me. She took me back so tenderly, arranging her dark skirts, her pockets full of lichens and seeds. I slept as never before, a stone on the riverbed, nothing between me and the white fire of the stars, but my thoughts and they floated light as moths among the branches of the perfect trees. All night I heard the small kingdoms breathing around me, the insects and the birds who do their work in the darkness. All night I rose and fell as if in water, grappling with the luminous doom. By morning, I had vanished at least a dozen times into something better. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. I hope you found this insightful and nourishing. Thank yourself for taking the time to fill your cup. And thank you for sharing in this space with me. Peace and joy on your journey.